Nice.
Back again to my channel Ruangtabroni. Let's draw Hatake Kakashi's character. Draw an image slowly to get maximum results. Starting from line by line in certain parts. If this video is too fast, friends can pause this video for a moment, then repeat it. Draw from the easiest part first. Color the image to make it look more real. Draw carefully and slowly for maximum results. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this content. If you have any questions, friends, please ask about drawing. Hatake Kakashi's drawing is complete. If you have finished, please try repeating again for maximum results. Thank you.